Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by measuring the frame precisely. Measure both height and width and note any obstructions. Once done, lay the mesh flat and mark a 2-3 cm overlap around the frame to allow for adjustments. Cut the mesh roughly to that size using sharp scissors so edges stay clean. Make sure to align the mesh weave with the frame orientation for airflow. Prepare the spline channel by cleaning the frame and applying adhesive tape where the mesh will sit. This prevents slippage during installation. You now position the mesh over the frame and secure one edge with masking tape. Pull snugly to the opposite side and tape there, then release the initial tape and repeat for top and bottom. This alternating method keeps tension even and reduces puckering. Once taut, press the spline into the channel using the spline tool while maintaining steady pressure. Cut excess spline flush. Make sure the mesh sits evenly in the groove with no folds. Small adjustments now save rework later. Finish by trimming any excess mesh flush with the frame using a sharp utility knife, using the frame edge as a straight guide. Once trimmed, apply a thin bead of silicone or weatherproof tape around the perimeter to seal gaps and prevent insects. If you notice sagging later, retension by removing the spline at that section and pulling the mesh tighter before repressing. Alternatively, add a second spline strip for reinforcement. If tears appear, patch from the outside with adhesive mesh and smooth firmly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.